Hello everyone, this is Rachel from QH Technology. Today let's take a look at the 51.2 voltage 200 Ah 10.4 kWh all-in-one lithium iron phosphate battery. Its dimensions are 600, 600, 860 military, and it weighs about 180 kg. Its charge current is 100 amp and discharge current is 200 amp. Its communication methods are RS-232, RS-485, and CAN. Its working temperature ranges from 20°C to 60°C. It has about 5,000 cycle life, 5 years guarantee for the battery, and 1 year guarantee for the inverter. Now let's look inside the battery. The top is a 5 kW inverter off-grid. Its max charge power is 5 kW. Its max output power is 5 kW. Its DC input voltage ranges from 40 to 60 volt. Its DC output voltage ranges from 40 to 58 volt. Its number of phases is nominal phase. Its rated AC input is 220 volt. Its rated AC output voltage is 220 volt. Its rated frequency is 50 to 60 Hz. There is an MPPT contained in the inverter. The MPPT's max PV open circuit voltage is 145 volts DC. PV operating voltage ranges from 60 to 145 volts DC. MPPT voltage ranges from 60 to 145 volts DC. Its max output power is 4,200 volt. Its solar charge current ranges from 0 to 80 amp. Now let's take a look at the ports of the inverter and the battery. This is power button, CAN, RS-485 inverter communication port, air switch, inverter grid interface, inverter load interface, inverter PV interface, positive and negative terminals. Here are the ports of the battery. This is the capacity light, alarm light, running light, and ADS. And these are RS-232, RS-485 CAN communication ports. This is dry contact, and this is power button. These two white wires are communication wires connect two batteries and the inverter. These are power wires parallel to batteries and connect the inverter. Now let's take a look at the screen. You can check each battery cell's voltage, capacity, and temperature, and the whole battery pack's voltage, current, temperature, SOC, and some parameters of the inverter and MPPT. These are indication lights of AC input, charge and fault, and below are setup down enter buttons. You can set up the charging mode of solar charging only, commercial power priority or hybrid charging, and you can also set battery output weight of photovoltaic priority, commercial power priority, which means backup UPS is started when commercial power is invalid, and inverter priority, maximize the use of DC power. You can increase the all-in-one battery's capacity by paralleling more batteries. For example, this is a 51.2 voltage 300 Ah 15.6 kWh battery. Its dimensions are 600, 600, 1,130 military, weighs about 230 kg. This is a 51.2 voltage 400 Ah 20.8 kWh battery. Its dimensions are 600, 600, 1,400 military, weighs about 280 kg. We also have on-grid all-in-one batteries and solar battery to match different brand inverters. For more information, please search our website.